everyone, welcome to Simrita Basroor's Corner. This is my channel for As Counselor by Counselor series. Let's see some of the words which have always been stereotypical. These words actually need to be clear, or else it will just keep on increasing the stigma of mental health. These words have come through the certain years of my experience and a certain level of observation. What is the meaning of disorder? Why is it often used? So this question has most of the time in some or the other way been raised by many people who come for counseling or who often have a lot of questions or queries in their mind. So understand that disorder is something which has been there used by many of the professionals in their reports. When a problem has been extended beyond a certain period of time, it is known as disorder. An individual's personal life, professional life, social life, and emotions have been severely affected, then that problem is termed as disorder. Please understand, if a problem has extended beyond 1 month or 2 months or a certain duration, only then it's called a disorder. What is a problem? Is it different from the word issue? When does one know he or she has a problem? So basically, understand one thing, that whenever anyone says I have a problem, he or she is often ridiculed, bullied, or is misunderstood. It's like कि बाद में करते हैं ना. It's like कि अरे कोई problem बड़ा छोटा नहीं होता. It's like कि चलता है. Let's see. Problem means a kind of matter or situation which is unable to deal with. So जब आप कोई बात संभाल नहीं पाते या संभल नहीं जाती तो वो प्रॉब्लम बन जाती है. इशू थोड़ा सा स्लाइट लेवल होता है इम्पैक्ट का, इसलिए हमेशा ज़रूरी होता है कि जब कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाए तो जितना आप जल्दी हो सके उतना एक्सपर्ट के पास जाए. इट कैन बी अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट और अ साइकेट्रिस्ट और अ काउंसलर. What is mental health and why the word mental? This has also been put up on my website. You can have a look. I have clearly mentioned it that the word mental does not mean labeling someone. We are not labeling anyone over here. We are just referring to a part of health in every individual which is present and which needs to be taken care of. Thoughts, brain, behavior, emotions, attitude, feeling, all these comprise of mental health. और जैसे आपको physical health, अपना शारीरिक health important है, वैसे ही mental health भी important है. The word mental is used for understanding the particular part of health in an individual. That's why it's important in the report. I hope all these 3 words are clear now. These are my details. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like and share. Also understand that in the next video I'll be sharing more 3 words which have created a certain stereotype. My mission of removing the mental health stigma is on its way. Keep supporting me in this journey. Thank you very much. Stay